Hello, we have some new changes to the customer zone, secure.flockhosting.com. Last time I was making some changes and just wanted to kind of go over with you guys some of the things that are new. First and foremost, this is the first screen you will see once you log in. Tells you all this quick rundown of recent tickets, unpaid invoices, services you have, whole 9 yards. Pretty straightforward for the most part. Some cool things is the fact that this is completely responsive, so no matter the size, if it gets big, if it gets small, it will render correctly and show you all the information. So if you're on your mobile device, this will work just as well. Some cool things like the notification area now up here actually tells you some things coming up. Really great for just a kind of a quick overview of, hey, there's something you need to make note of. Pretty much all of the system is the same, except when you come here. This is one of the new things, and I've tested this twice, and it's been hit or miss because it is a new feature. So you can type in, so like say I'm looking for checkground.com. I do a search, and what this will do is do a big search for me of all the different names. And so checkground.com is already taken. Other suggestions include, and it will give all the different ones, rearrange some words, just kind of giving you different options. You can get more suggestions as you want to go, and it gives you different pricing as according. As it stands, I still don't have every domain extension. Like there's new ones like .biz, there's .site, there's .url. There's a whole bunch of different ones, and so I hope to get some of those in the future. So where this feature will be very cool, because then it will give you every variety that you can choose from. A lot of other things is kind of really kind of cool. If you go to your services for your hosting, this doesn't matter if you're using church hosting or if you are using just the basic, Flock hosting, personal or business. I will give you an overview of what you've got. For me, this is all, again, something that's not real, but gives you some usage statistics of what you're using in bandwidth, what you're using with your disk space, allows you to add on different features and functionalities. Really cool. You can add in the sponsored church, manage WordPress if you're using WordPress. Some more add-ons are coming soon, which I'll get to in a week or two once things hopefully calm down. These are some quick shortcuts. If you are new to Flock hosting or even old to Flock hosting, if you log into the customer zone, and this won't work for my account because it's not a real account, but if you were to click email accounts, it would automatically click you over to your cPanel access. And they've taken and really helped build a lot of this out to where if you need to just make an email account real quick, it passes that over. Gives you your stats, access to cron jobs, file managers, just some of the basic stuff that's kind of used on a regular basis for a lot of people. But gives you a billing overview, some basics. It's taken out of the drop-down box having to deep search for it. Request cancellation. While I don't want to see anybody go, I also don't want anybody to stay if they're not actively using services or their needs have changed. Get in contact with me if there's something I can do to help, but now that's easier to find. Gives you some options for your whois, everything else. Everything's now kind of just in one simple location. Same with your billing. You've got your cards. You can add in funds if you want to take and go into this. You can actually prepay if you want. You can put on, up to $5,000. I don't know anybody who wants to, but that is an option. But basically, as each invoice for each month comes along, it will take and provide that credit. Will go to that. But you can view everything. So there's some cool stuff to check out. Everything from our network status, the knowledge base, which I need to redirect to the other site, but just some basic information as always. It kind of gives you just the quick rundown of where things are at, what things are doing. But that's kind of the big stuff I kind of wanted to just kind of go over, just to kind of give you some of the new look and feel, just kind of going over what is where. But please feel free to hop in, explore, check things out, see what you see. Again, if you guys have any updates due to your account, please consider taking and going in here and making those changes, because hey, I want to make sure that I'm able to get a hold of you guys. If you guys are having concerns about security, as some of you guys have found, we do offer the 2-form authentication. I'll put a link in here as well to Authy, which is a great one for if you use Chrome, and it also works across your cell phones and everything else. But if not, you can always use the Google Authenticator, and it will provide you with a quick code that you can do when you go to log in to help make sure that your information that you're putting in remains secure and remains locked into you. So that's really the rundown of this video. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you guys are having a great day.